In this video, I'll show you how to use Notion templates. First, open Notion and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, click Templates from the left sidebar to open the template gallery. Next, browse the available categories or use the search bar to find a template that matches your needs, such as project management, meeting notes, habit tracking, or personal planning. Now, click on a template to preview it. If you like it, click Get Template or Duplicate to add it to your workspace. Wait a few moments while Notion copies the template. After that, open the new page and replace the sample content with your own information. You can add, edit, or remove blocks, create new pages, and customize the template to fit your workflow. Finally, continue updating the template as your project or notes grow. Since it's part of your workspace, you can edit it anytime and use it as often as you need. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Notion templates. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.